everyone. I'm Pavel. I'm one of the co-founders of the organization, NeenOpal, which we started 10 years back in 2016. Three of us, not knowing what we were doing, to now here, having you guys with us. It means a lot for all of you guys to take out your time on a Friday evening and joining us. When Dhruv said that it's no longer about whether you need to leverage AI or not, one of the things that you should start thinking about is things that were taking days are being now done by agents in minutes. The shift is already here. It is no longer about who is gonna not adopt AI. The question is who is gonna adopt and put that in production. And that is why we are here this evening to understand the gap that we see between Sri Lanka and the world. The window is still there, but it's not for long that this window will close, and organizations that leverage AI today will be the leaders tomorrow. And that is why we are here this evening. Sri Lanka has the infrastructure. You have the talent, you have the cost advantage, but the time advantage is shrinking fast. You cannot sit on the side and think about that someone will come in. AI is not a magic wand. You have to work not just with NeenOpal, but partners like us and cloud platforms like AWS to bring the best of the AI models for your use cases. Here is something that we believe you should be interested in, the global reality of AI today. Studies say that around 72% of US enterprises are already using AI in business. Is this the same number for Sri Lanka? Not really. Maybe our estimates from our studies and a few other studies that we looked at, maybe 10 to 15% of you guys are starting to think and putting AI actually in production. Why you should be doing that? Because AI leaders are seeing 1.5 times more outperforming their peers from a revenue growth. So the question is not about not leveraging AI. The question is, if you are a leader or you want to be a leader, leverage AI and see the magic. But there is a catch. Studies say anywhere between 85 to 90%, all the AI initiatives stall at the proof of concept stage. It is only few of less than 10% of the proof of concept actually result and get into production. I'm happy to say later this evening, you will see one among yourself, a pioneer in Sri Lanka who have put AI to actual production use cases. Watch out for that. The moment matters. There was a study very recently published by E&Y of what is the AI sentiment and utilization of AI solutions across different countries globally. Sri Lanka, not there yet. We believe you have the advantage of moving from being I won't say, don't mind it, not a laggard, but some people who are just discussing to being one of the highest adopters of AI. And why do I say that? Because it is the shift in the process and the mindset that we are seeing talking to different stakeholders and enterprises across Sri Lanka. Stakeholders and leaders are already starting to think about what do I need to do to leverage AI. Earlier, it was about people, systems, delays. The new world is people, AI, systems, and decisions. No AI solution in our practice of so many years works without human in the loop. It is people and AI working in tandem to deliver decisions for your businesses. How are you going to start leveraging that? You are going to see organizations who are leveraging AI, in our experience and from studies, anywhere between 2 to 3x higher revenue growth. We at NeenOpal believe solutions need to be built here, customized for your use cases. Things that have been proven globally need to be customized for you. Just a little bit about us. We have been in business in Sri Lanka since 2018. As a business, I'm proud to say that we have worked with some of the leading names in the country helping them setting up their data foundations to now leveraging AI for their different use cases.